Hold tight because I am about to spill the beans on the 8 magical steps to editing at full speed. It worked wonders for me when I got 42.8% retention on my YouTube video. Here's the screenshot. So let's get started. Step 1. Unleash the A and B magic. Imagine you are the director of your very own blockbuster. A roll is you talking to the camera. B-roll is the sneaky footage playing hide and seek in the background and over the A-roll. To keep things moving, make sure your B-roll is like a ninja, 3 times more than A-roll, because this B-roll is what will keep the ball rolling. Step 2. Kickstart the video party. Cut that A-roll, add B-roll and make it rough dance flow. Your video's first 15 seconds are VIP territory. If you have got A-roll, show it off. If not, juggle B-roll scenes like a circus act. Can you do it? If yes, then great. If not, then practice and try to change the frame at least 4 times. Now that you have divided it into 4 parts, then try dividing each part even further into 2 parts, that is total 8 parts. Change frames at least 4 times. Go wild with zooms, pans and transitions. Do anything to make sure your frame is changing. Step 3. Bye-bye gaps, hello smooth moves. Now that the footage is ready, what you need to do next is add a B-roll footage to your A-roll clip. B-roll should be at least 3 to 4 times more so that you can change your frame easily. Because let's be honest, even if your face is better looking than mine, people wouldn't want to see it all the time. No comments. Gaps are the party poopers of editing. Delete them like your ex's number from your phone. Those 1-second gaps will actually increase your video time by another 10 to 12 seconds, which isn't required. Spice up your speech by layering audios like a DJ. Keep the outro short, sweet and sassy for the end screen. No one likes a never-ending goodbye. Step 4. Subtitles. The viral elixir. Subtitles are the secret sauce. Grab some from the internet or shake things up with your own. Make them dance or twirl. Take any software you want. There are readily made transitions and presets available for subtitles which you can use. Or you can download them from Google or YouTube, where the subtitles can be transitioned to pop up from here and there, up, down, etc. You can also make these yourself with the help of keyframes, which is quite easy to do. Bad animations are the cool kids of the editing block. Get creative, make them laugh. According to the recent statistics, by adding subtitles in these languages like Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Bengali, you are tapping into a large market of Indians who are more comfortable watching content in their mother tongues. It will also help to get the attention of viewers who do not speak English, thereby increasing your viewership and subscription base. Step 5. Transitions. The YouTuber's magic wand. Animations is not something that you need to learn very well. In fact, you can do bad animations also. You must have heard the phrase that says, "It's so bad that it is good." That's exactly what you need to do. It can actually add a fun element to your video because people will feel that it's such a bad edited video that it's hilarious to watch. We need to make people laugh and entertain also while we educate them about our content. Bad animations. Embrace the chaos and let the laughter roll in. These bad edits will actually attract people towards you, which you obviously want. Now, a bad edit doesn't mean that you have to actually do it very badly. Let me give you an example for this. Suppose there is a cartoon image or animation that you add your own photo instead on the face of that cartoon, and with the help of keyframes you are moving it while the cartoon is moving, which makes it fun to watch. That is what a bad animation means, which is liked by people. You can get your free transitions from Google and YouTube. Apply them to every cut and subtitle so your video is a seamless roller coaster. Step 6. Zoom, blur and make them wonder. Scale characters or objects like you are playing with a funky lens. Blur faces, zoom out and throw in black borders. Surprise your viewers, keep them hooked with unexpected twists. So basically what you need to do here is that if two people are talking and you scale one of them to an extent that their face gets completely blurred. If I give you an example of it, then imagine two people are talking such nonsense that there is a third character on the side who is giving extremely weird reactions, and you zoom in them so much that their face gets a little blurry. It looks like a bad quality edit, but it becomes so entertaining to watch. Or you can also zoom out from the video instead of zooming in and let the black borders be visible. Scale it to 80% or 70% and even stop the music. By doing this, you will regain the attention of the viewer and they will get intrigued because they will be baffled that what was going on and suddenly what happened and what changed. Now, this is the reason that will actually make the viewers continue seeing your video, which they are otherwise going to stop watching. If you are using a photo or image in your frame, then keep zooming in and out on it with the help of keyframes and make sure that the photo never remains still and it keeps moving up and down or right left. Step number 7, sound design, the symphony of success. Don't stick to one sound effect. It's like eating the same cereal every day. Mix it up, keep it interesting, and make your video a symphony of surprises. Change it up, keep it fresh, and avoid the snooze fest of repetitive sound effects. Your audience will thank you for the musical experience. Step 8, musical magic. Change your music as often as you change your socks. Whenever the scene or topic flips, cue the tunes of those transitions and keep your viewers grooving till the credits roll. Like this in the video, we had 8 steps and 1 intro, which makes it total 9 times. So we have changed the music 9 times here. You can go back in the video and check for yourself. Now, where you can get the music from? It is quite simple. You can easily get it from YouTube library, or there are many paid websites like Motion Array, which provides a variety of music, sound effects, and you can download music and use those sites if you have the budget. You will get really good and fun music from there. And now the grand final. If you have made it this far, give us a thumbs up. If you are hungry for leads faster than a cheetah on a roller stakes, head on to com5method.com. Let me know in the comments if you are vibing with these tips and want more video magic in the future. Stay epic, my friends, and make sure you grab my free training of Com5 method, which I am giving away absolutely free of cost. I have personally created over 10 hours of 100% A to Z digital marketing training videos, which I am giving away absolutely free of cost. I have sold these training multiple times in the past, from 10,000 rupees to even 70,000 and beyond, which I am giving away to you absolutely free. Now you might be thinking why this guy is giving away his training for free. And the reason is pretty simple. If you are someone who don't have funds to invest in coaching and training, you can use my training, learn everything you need to know about getting leads, getting clients, and driving views, doing paid traffic, and you can do it yourself, or you can start your own business and have fun with my training and succeed. I don't need your money. But if you are someone, let's say you have the money to spend, but for some reason you don't trust me to work with me, you can go through my training and you will realize that I and my team have the knowledge to help you generate leads and clients for your business. And once you have that trust and the bond, get back to me and I'll be more than happy to work with you one-on-one and provide you my services and help you to generate leads and clients for your business. It is as simple as that, okay? And if you're getting my free training, don't forget to share my free training with your friends and relatives. To get your free training, make sure you send me a WhatsApp at +91 961 943 0662. You can see the number somewhere on this video or in the description section right below, or you can head over to my website com5method.com. Excellent. And don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and let me know what other topics you want me to create videos on in future. Now that you know how to make a killer video, an absolutely killer video that can help you to get high retention, watch this video and discover how I got 5,219 views on my YouTube ad absolutely free. Use this strategy and get millions of views. Go here right now.